The V-belt attaches between the clutch drum and the arbor pulley. The V-belt uses the power from the clutch drum to drive the blade or cutoff wheel. Over time, the belt will wear. It can crack and eventually snap. Overloading the saw will cause the belt to wear faster. Replacing the V-belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the belt cover from the saw. With the belt cover removed, now I can remove the belt. Now I can install the new belt. First I'll place it around the clutch drum, make sure it seats on the pulley, and then around the arbor pulley. Now I can replace the starter and belt cover. I'll align it with the housings and secure it with the screws. Now reinstall the front belt cover. I'll loosely tighten the nuts and then tension the belt. With the belt tensioned, now I can tighten up the nuts.